have in my hand the GRUNDIG TV remote control available with low-cost postal option directly from freetv.ie. So when you receive this remote control and you want to tune it up to work with your particular GRUNDIG TV, there's two ways you can do that. And there's a downloadable manual that's available on the downloads tab on the freetv.ie website. This is just the front page of there, and basically you have two options. You can use the automatic codes in it where you come along, you press the TV button, you do the channel up button, and what you do then is it just automatically sequences through and full steps are given on the manual. Or the other option is where you can actually look at the table, which again is part of the manual, enter the code directly for your type of GRUNDIG TV, and it'll enter the code directly onto it there. So the total time to program up your remote to work with your TV, you're definitely looking at less than 2 minutes. So it's extremely good. And the remote itself, really robust remote. So it's part of an overall range of TV and set-top box remote controls, which are all available with low-cost postal option directly from freetv.ie.